How to fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone on iOS 17. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the option of screen time. Now open this option content and privacy restrictions. Now you have to toggle off for this option of content and privacy restrictions. Type in your screen time passcode. Now head back. Now you have to click on this option of change the screen time passcode. Click on this option of change the screen time passcode. Enter your old screen time passcode. Now type a new screen time passcode for your device. After you change it, now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, go back to the main page of settings, open this option general, scroll all the way down, click on this option of shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes, turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards very last solution, open this option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset your device. Following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix sign out is not available due to restrictions on iPhone on iOS 17. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.